Welcome back to Data Shark Academy. So far, whenever we were importing the data from a relational database to Hadoop, the output file format was always a text file format, which means that we can just open a file and see its content. But Hadoop offers a couple of different file formats like Avro, sequence file, ORC, RC. All these formats are much more optimized than a plain simple text file. So in Sqoop also, there are a couple of file formats that are supported. As of this release, Sqoop supports 4 different file formats. First one is the text file, which is the default. Next is Avro file, sequence file, and Packet file. And we will see all of them in the next couple of exercises. It does not support ORC files as of today out of the box. But there is a way to create one, which I will show you later in this course. ORC files are very much in demand today for being very optimized as far as the storage of the data is concerned on Hadoop. It takes almost 50% less space than a normal text file. And it is also optimized for reading the data from an ORC file. By default, Sqoop stores all the data into text file format on Hadoop. If you want to explicitly mention the format, then Sqoop has these different tags. For example, as you can see here, as text file. So let's try this out. So let me open the terminal and we'll do a Sqoop import. And I'm gonna use the option file we created in previous sessions. Table will be employee. My target directory will be Sqoop. I will use one of the directory which I created before, and by default Sqoop will fail this execution. It will not like if I use the same destination path, so I need to delete that, and I can do it in this command. I'll show you. So we want a text file, so delete target directory. So if I mention this directive, it will first delete if there is any existing employees directory under Hadoop Sqoop location, and then it will start the import process. I think this is all, so let me run this. So as you can see, it deleted the destination directory. It was already existing from our previous exercises. Now it has started the job. Alright, so it has retrieved 1000 records. Let's quickly go and check this on Hadoop. So there is not much difference as far as these files are concerned. They are the same results as we saw in previous exercises, but when we run it with different file options, then we'll see that these files are named differently, and also we won't be able to look into the data because they won't be plain text files but binary files. So try this out, and I'll meet you in the next lesson where I'll show you more file formats. Thank you.